Motorola One Hyper Smartphone. Motorola is a very old technology mobile phone manufacturing company. A company like Motorola has produced many models so far, which have been used in a very clever way by the fans of Motorola. In the past, companies like Motorola used to make wireless mobile phones, which people used in a very predictable way. After this, time gradually changed and new technology mobile phones came in the market. So Motorola also did not back down. Rather, Motorola accepted a challenge and brought out a smartphone full of many features. Today we are talking about such a great smartphone of Motorola, whose name is Motorola One Hyper Smartphone. Many great features are available in this Motorola smartphone. The special thing about this smartphone is that it is getting the best quality RAM. Motorola's heart-wrenching smartphone with amazing features, 8GB RAM is available in it. Know the features. Let's know about this smartphone. Talking about Motorola One Hyper, this handset is the new product series of Motorola company. Moving to the display, Motorola One Hyper Specs offers 6.5-inch IPS LCD, 1080x2340 pixels. Under the hood, the Motorola device boasts 4GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage, expandable up to 1TB. Talking about the hardware, the Motorola handset draws power from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset. Motorola lost this round. Are you looking for photography department and battery capacity? Motorola One Hyper cameras include dual 64MP plus 8MP lenses at the back and a pop-up 32MP sensor up front. It includes 48MP plus 16MP plus 16MP plus 8MP lenses. Furthermore, the devices have a 4000 mAh juice box. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.